Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you the lowdown on the latest and greatest products hitting the market. Today, we're diving into the world of heavy-duty cleaning with the Aqua Mix Heavy-Duty Tile and Grout Cleaner. If you're tired of dealing with stubborn grime and dirt on your floors, this might just be the solution you've been searching for. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's talk about what sets this cleaner apart. It's not your average run-of-the-mill cleaner. No, sir. This bad boy is packed with power, designed to tackle even the toughest of cleaning jobs. Whether you're dealing with grease, soap scum, or just years of built-up grime, the Aqua Mix Heavy-Duty Tile and Grout Cleaner has got your back. So, what makes this cleaner so special? For starters, it's formulated to cut through ground in dirt and organic materials like a hot knife through butter. Plus, it's versatile. You can use it on a variety of surfaces, from granite to porcelain to, you guessed it, grout. Say goodbye to multiple cleaners cluttering up your cabinet, because this one does it all. Now, let's talk about ease of use. Because let's face it, nobody wants to spend hours scrubbing their floors on their hands and knees. With the Aqua Mix Heavy-Duty Tile and Grout Cleaner, all you need to do is apply, let it sit for a bit, and then wipe away the grime. It's that simple. No need for elbow grease or fancy equipment, just pure, effortless cleaning power. But don't just take my word for it. Let's see some real results, shall we? Check out these before and after shots. Look at how this cleaner transforms dingy, dirty grout into sparkling clean lines. It's like night and day. And the best part? It's not just surface-level clean. This cleaner penetrates deep into the grout, leaving it looking brand new. High praise indeed. It's clear that the Aqua Mix Heavy-Duty Tile and Grout Cleaner is making waves in the cleaning world, and for good reason. So why not give it a try? That's all for today, folks. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Until next time, happy cleaning.